Hey guys, it's a double day as I introduce the second new platform of the day. And this one, 10% after 24 hours. But before we talk about that, I want to give you a chance to read this disclaimer. All right, guys, let's get to it and do it. The second platform of the day is Hivextrades. Hivextrades is our newest platform. Man, we're going to talk about, what it does and the plans and everything. But I got to say, before we do that, not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Only invest what you're willing and able to lose, and always, always, always do your own due diligence. With that being said, let's go ahead and talk about Hivextrades. Hivextrades is a UK-based, globally recognized investment company, registered the Financial Conduct Authority with deep knowledge in stock and digital market. Okay, that's cool. But here's where I want to kind of focus in. Hivextrades is headquartered in Wales, UK, so that's nothing special about that. Organized with multiple parent and holding companies. We ventured into crypto trading on February 6th of 2001. Hivextrades provides solution leverage open source standards and cloud computing to maximize flexibility. So this company is saying it's been around since February 6th of 2001. Now, have they? Is that true? Is it not true? I have no idea, but I want to make sure that I at least share that with you. Once again, you do your own research. I looked up who's this and I didn't find anything there, but if you have some other resources that you want to look at, fine. But hey, I wanted to share that with you. It says our mission is to get a long-term return on each investment by minimizing risk. Hivextrades builds only safe, transparent, and honest relationship with its investors. We believe that this is the only way to achieve our goals. So that is a little bit about the company. Now, what we got to do. We got to go to the plans before we go to the F, the A's, and the Q's. So let's click here, and we are going to head on to the plans and check out these plans. These are the investment plans. This is the basic here. First plan called the Silver Plan, 10% after 24 hours, $50 minimum to $1,000 maximum. You're going to get 10%. Well, the return is going to be 10%, and you'll get your deposit back. Now, the Gold Plan starts at 15% after 24 hours. That's 1,001 to 5,000. You're going to get 15% ROI and your deposit return. Now, on these particular plans, your profit is what it is. Your profit's not included. Your profit is the full profit, and then you'll get your deposit back. Now, the Diamond Plan, 20% after 24 hours, $5,001 to $10,000. You're going to get 20%, and yes, you'll get your deposit back. 30% after 24 hours, $10,001 to unlimited, 30% ROI, and yes, you'll get your deposit back. Guys, the thing I like about these type of plans is you use your own strategy. I'm not telling you what strategy you should or shouldn't use. You may want to be part of this, or you may not want to be part of this. The thing I like about it, within 24 hours, you'll know whether this platform is legit or not. You'll know whether it's paying or not. You'll know whether you'll get your deposit back or not. So it's not going to take you long to figure out, this is legitimate. If it's not legitimate, I don't know. The way I always do it for me is, any platform that I'm not really familiar with, I'll go in low, and then I'll build on that, and that's just how I do it. Hey, I'm not telling you to do that. Anybody can do it however they want to do it, but man, with 24 hours, you're going to know whether it is or whether it isn't. So, and these are some great rates, incredible rates for a 24-hour period of time. With that being said, if you want to be part of Hivextrades, click on the link in the description in the comments of this video, and you know what we have to do. We have to go to the F, the A's, and the Q's. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get to the FAQs. There we go. All right, guys, what is Hivextrades? So we've already talked about that. Official registration. Yes, we're legally registered, so they do have that. Trading, so we know that. Team already have experience trading. Yes, and yes, we formed an investment portfolio that brings a stable income. What are the advantages? We aim for long-term relationship with client. Okay, got it. How can I become a beneficiary? Just means open the website, click on the registration, click on make a deposit, and copy the company's wallet address and send your Bitcoin, Ethereum, perfect money options. So those are the options they take. They also do Tether TRC20. You will automatically become our benefactor once you deposit. So this is just different language. How do I register? That's all it said. What payment methods can I use? Bitcoin, perfect money, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin. We will span the list with the development of the project. And I believe, and we'll look at the back, but I believe you can also use TLC. And maybe you can. But we'll check that out in a minute. Can I use Bitcoin wallet address for more than one account in the company? Yes, you can use one Bitcoin wallet ID in many accounts. So, there you go. Can I make a deposit while the investments are still going? Yes, you can deposit on a daily basis. How many times can I reinvest in a particular deposit fund? You can only be able to reinvest as many times as you wish. You can only, okay, a little language barrier there. Making an add up deposit in your account. Okay, I'm not even try that one. That's a little, maybe I'm reading it wrong. So we're going to let that one go. How much can I invest and what are the withdrawal limits? This is good to know. The minimum deposit is $100. The minimum withdrawal is $1. So that's great to know when I get my first income after 24 hours. I love that because, as I said, you will know whether this is working or not after 24 hours. When can I withdraw from my account? You can withdraw your referral bonus anytime, but the daily profits can only be withdrawn when your active investment expires. So remember, this is different from an hourly. So this is after 24 hours. It's after plan. So you won't be able to withdraw anything within that period of time, but after that time, you will be able to withdraw once your plan expires. Can I deposit any amount after making withdrawal? No, you cannot deposit below what you have withdrawn. How long for withdrawal to be processed? So this is good to know. We need to know all this. Withdrawals are processed instantly after reviewing your investment account. Okay. Commissions, we're not going to worry about that. And which currency is the profit accrued? Accrued profits in the same currency you chose in making your deposit. So if you deposit it in Bitcoin, that's what you're going to get back out in Bitcoin. All right. So we're not going to talk about, let's look at security. How to protect my personal data. What happens if a site undergoes a DOS attack? We pay organizations for protection against external attacks. All attacks on the site will be successfully neutralized by professionals. Okay. All right. We certainly want to see that. You're not sure to know my wallet data. Yes, if you don't pass a login to third parties, be careful. Transactions, cryptocurrency, yada, yada, yada. Okay. All right, guys. So let's go to my account. And if you want to add funds, we're going to click here. And as you see, back office is pretty basic, pretty straightforward. It's just kind of tells you what it is. So you can click on add funds. And this is, the withdrawals. And you can see an active deposit there. Active deposit is, my active deposit is $100. And so we can go back here to add funds. I didn't want to jump too far ahead. Okay. So let's say, for instance, hey, if we're going to dream big. Okay. So these are actually the ones that you can use. You can Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, TRC20, and Shiba Inu. So those are actually, as of right now, and as of what I'm seeing, the only four that you can use. And that kind of goes with what I saw in the front. Because there's, even though it says something, may say something different in the FAQs at the bottom, they just have those four symbols. And so those are the four that you can make your deposit with. Click on top up here. Let's see. Okay. Click on the one that you're going to choose. And then I guess that's if you had a balance in the account, amount to spend, you click on that and you click on spend. You know how it does. It creates a link that or your wallet address, then you send the money to the wallet address. And it's just that easy. All right, guys. So this is the newest one, Hivextrades.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and look outside. And just one more again, we're going to check out those plans. So we're going to go here, the basic plans. These are the basic plans. The silver plan. I'm just so excited about this 24 hours. Now, once again, like I said, the minimum actually is $50. I think I may have said 100, but the minimum is $50 here. And I think I was going with that is all of these plans are 24-hour plans. All of these plans are 24-hour plans. So you will know if it works for you or it doesn't work for you. Like I said, you know, there's no crying in the casino. If something happens, you lose the money, it's gone. It's gone. So govern yourselves accordingly. Take that into consideration. If you decide to get into any platform, understand, please take that into consideration. This is all very high risk. Okay. With that being said, 10% after 24 hours, minimum $50, maximum $1,000, 10% ROI profit, and you will get your deposit back. The golden plan, the golden boy, 15% after 24 hours, 1,000 minimum to 5,000 maximum, 15% profit, and yes, you'll get your deposit back. The diamond plan, 20% after 24 hours, 5,001 minimum, 10,000 maximum. Total profit for 24 hours is 20%, and yes, you'll get your deposit back. And last but certainly not least, the platinum plan, 30% after 24 hours, $10,000 to unlimited for the big ballers, the shakalas. If you got unlimited funds, and if you want to put it here, you can do it. In fact, that's the one that you would go in, because I also like the fact that this is actually limited to the amount that you put in. So that's fine. Unlimited 30% after 24 hours. All right, guys, if you want to be part of Hivextrades, make sure to click on the link in the description in the comments of this video, and make sure to watch the next video as I talk about how to avoid getting hacked.